The Zodiac Killer case and the 1966 Riverside murder both involved disturbing letters sent after the crimes, and decades later investigators and enthusiasts are still questioning whether they could be connected. Both the Zodiac Killer and Riverside cases involved letters, making the handwriting a key point of comparison in the ongoing mystery of whether they're connected. The clearest difference is in their line habits. Even without lined paper, the Zodiac Killer wrote in fairly straight, even lines, while the Riverside Killer's writing often goes up and down and looks uneven. You can also see a big difference in line quality. The Zodiac Killer's handwriting is clean and fairly even, with only slight shakiness, while the Riverside Killer's writing looks much shakier, with rough edges and sharp, uneven strokes. Linguistic style looks at wording, spelling, and tone. Zodiac's letters are theatrical, taunting, and often cryptic, with possible intentional misspellings, while the Riverside text is more direct, emotional, and personal. This contrast suggests different psychological approaches, making it one of the stronger arguments that the writing came from different individuals. Slant refers to whether letters lean left, right, or stay upright. The Zodiac letters are mostly shifted to the right, while the Riverside letters stay upright. Because slant is a natural motor habit that's hard to control consistently. Pen pressure refers to how hard the writer presses, visible in line thickness and darkness. Zodiac writing often shows heavy, uneven pressure with darker strokes, while Riverside writing appears smoother and more consistent and with less pressure. Some experts believe the Riverside Killer may not have rested their hand on the paper at all to avoid leaving fingerprints, which could explain the rough, unstable look. In our opinion, there are just too many differences for them to be the same person. That's why we think the Riverside and Zodiac Killer aren't the same, but in the end, it's still an unsolved mystery.